Learn how to create this in under 4 minutes and instantly elevate any motion graphic. First, we'll start off with a new composition, standard 1920 by 1080 and 24 frames per second. Get our text tool and type out our first word. Then we'll duplicate the layer and add our second word. We're gonna go ahead and hide the second word and separate the characters from the word. And to do that, we'll use the Decomposed text plugin. Once that's all done, we'll hide our second word. We'll select the text layers and we'll hit P for position. We'll hit on the stopwatch to create our first keyframe. Then go 12 frames forward and hit on the diamond to create our second keyframe. Next, we'll select every other letter. So in this case, it'll be the T and the X. We'll move that up. Go 12 frames forward, move it to the right. Try to make sure it's a little bit aligned to the center. Then we'll go another 12 frames forward and move it down to where those characters are. Next, we'll get started on the E and T. We'll move those down. Then we'll go ahead and move 12 frames forward and move those to the left. Then we'll go ahead and move another 12 frames forward and we'll move those back up. And then we're gonna wanna make sure those are all evenly spaced out. We're gonna select the last two keyframes and we're gonna shift everything to the right so it's all evenly spaced. Next, we're gonna wanna select the first row keyframes, hit F9. Then we're gonna go into the curve editor, move that to the left, about 90% influence. Do the same for the second one. And for the last one, we wanna go into about the middle and we're gonna squeeze everything into the middle. And then we're gonna just squeeze it a little bit more. Once we do that, we're gonna copy the ease and paste it to everything else. To do that, we're gonna be using the ease copy, hit copy and paste. We're gonna show the word, bring those back up. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to about 1 second into the animation, hit P for position, create the stopwatch, make our keyframe, then go to the end of the animation, hit the diamond, make our new keyframe, take the W and the R, and we're gonna bring those down to where the E and the T are. Line those up about right. We'll do the same with the O and the D, and we'll bring those up to where the T and the X are. Once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and copy the E's again and apply those to those last two keyframes. Then we're gonna select the text layers, go into the keyframe and see in the middle, this is the key part of the animation. We're gonna hit Alt and left bracket right here. We're gonna go 1 frame forward and then we're gonna select the second word and then we're gonna hit Alt and left bracket. And that's it. That's the effect all completed. And this is just the basic level of the animation of what we do here at Optious.